Ahamada NETV bu aina kok nonjari. Ms. Surbala, thanks for inviting me. Adigi Marup Professor Premananda, staff NETV, Adigi Editor-in-Chief Brajan Naningomba, Amadi Malimda Tabiri Pumpune kok nonjari. Akwai se kari no kone tawguduri se Manipur Sarkar na kari no koi bita holli bise. Adugo akwai Manipuri akwai kaido sige. Manipur libe puno mungne Manipuri haijir bise. Except this, hojiki lalhuba group illegal immigrants lakpa narco-terrorist groups natana. Mase conflict ase meteiga natte. Manipur de attack tawbani. Only one community madusu ati lamdegi laga makoi ne masiga utang mina laga koi chathok ke tawbadigi luna torubadi ngasi akwai onjan akwai charak pane. Mase mayam lo ne khangi. Chahi yankai humbu tra tigi torpa sum torpa se kar hanjalak torpa tawbuni. Akwai ne kar kom thok kiba akwai lengak pubu mayam puna musan kar easy going. Pungcha char pungai himbai phimam ai chair kai der lore majority 39-40 mite lady court asing wrong notion and the wrong calculation, rather miscalculation. Tau badigi yamna komtho budi shoy hingaktani. Ngasi shum hanjalak. Me hingbagi right to private defense saibise masi right to private defense saibise me pum puna mukta loine pi. Taureli pa narco terrorist ki groups sinchina taureli se they are not human, they are inhuman people. Moise suspension of operation na back toba. Suspension of operations kanana back toba government of India. I say very proudly and emboldently, whatever the result might be. Bharat Sarkar na suspension of operation bu sagut laga milising aniga chom chamri leibe se nomai pahil laga freely, friendly, unfriendly mateng tahon banina makoi ne taholiba punang se. Lengak na kari tawam tahi Manipur government makut pullaga thammi. Akwai ye police pam leiba or IRB leiba or Manipur Rifle leiba or civil police the fighting force natte. Makoi sina proper confrontation makoi ye maitheng na bangamdre. Maramdi Manipur highway se jamna trouble torn area border area da leiba yamna sathigraba underground makhan gisu leiba foreigners si aya matam da Myanmar sigi makoi da lan thonu base aya underground mayam punamuk se narco terrorist group se Manipur that lengdan haijaliba mayam se handle tobada Manipur police have se makoi jamna adequate arms ammunition personnel leitaba. Police means they are only for to restore peace and tranquility. Makoi they are not fighting force in haijaliba se. Yes, border dispute tamacha masulu changmujai publicly law and order the Manipur Rifle or IRB season abujai, but they are not equal and they are not equipped with the proper arms and ammunition like army or CAPA or Assam Rifle the adumana moida leitabadi mai khudong cha da lei adubo hoje torebe punamaga se Manipur lenga ki makutta chathot chakoi lokthok kharga 355 article digi quietly and discreetly with the obvious purpose khangna Manipur ki lenga ki makoktagi 355 article se pishal laga mango de power seize torga unified command se security advisor lakta mango de sinakre akoi hana de chingnei kani umdi lermuni haida anyway thokre mase thokre ngang kanroi numit khuding akoi mi sireiba se who is going to protect Manipur government? You have totally failed. Nakoi karim da narinjan jawdre nakoi karim ta wangang musa ngamdre namit khuding sireiba sige what solution you are going to bring it Manipur government asina kon hangiba Bharat Sarkar de shubu shogutli I am strongly, I am emboldeningly, challengingly I am saying the government of India nakoi na suspension of operation se thingdirba se why there is a clause suspension of operation this narco terrorist ka Manipur government of India ka tripartite talk over the yauri there is a one line akoi signatory akoi sue the lady ba akoi Manipur integrity kaiba or Indian government constitution against akoi karim ta taujaroi haidana that means they are out of touch they are not authorized to misuse or they are not authorized to come out from the camp or nomisi nabajade habese khangna Bharat Sarkar na Manipur government na walked away Manipur Sarkar thagli maramdi khangna anticipate tobadi thodok pune mase ko yaroi haidana Manipur government very kind of you, very thoughtful of you, tobiki ko yai Bharat Sarkar, why you are silent? Why? Halali base kanana halil bano ngasi akoi tamda mayam leyu punamak asiga halali koi police ne adequate masi reply pi ngamdrabani na Assam Rifle became a mute spectators maja karo enjoy karo army enjoy die drink dance dine tawna kotna leira adu how long Bharat Sarkar na akoi against lei habise Manipur lenga khangbra khangdabra khangdar namit thinge nakoi against ne leiriba nakoi against noi nawa tadradi akoi dikar main legi akoi ipai pu sakanano akoi ipai pu se ada akoi Pakistan se oidori jalla India de leitradi India gi mapa mapu sina akoi phajri jengbidre mieng jengbidre moina tahunmani moina halanmani moina numai sing sepuna mose suspension of personal lokthok tabna Manipur police se or Manipur lenga sing se akoi ta tangduletan leiba ngamdre Manipur government, don't you realize it? Can you say that no, we have nothing to say? Manipur Sarkar jo bolega ohi mai karunga hide labor Manipur lenga adu then you are wrong. Then you don't have to be in the chair. Is it not the time? Right of private defense. I say that right of private defense lady was 96 taken Indian penal code up to 106. Atish lady yam gre. Right of private defense ai shiba tare hairabati. Ai right of private defense ai yani khulai pairaga ai nupa du ai na mapu contest the woman and confront the woman ai shiba jade. That's called the right of private defense now. Aku the right of private defense da ku disupidre. Aku ne nomiyama pairune la uni khol ni togune koi government of Manipur you have totally failed to confront and the contest this suspension of operation backed by the government of India. Adu the mite ko numi khudin shiri basibu lenga kimako lenga pobiri miam nakoi namit udraba nakoi pauta drabane. That means Manipur lenga you are inefficient. You are not fit to be in the chair. Adu the right of private defense numit khudin kumdaraga halaliba sibu makoina kujuk kulai IRB ne khangde CRP desine khangde or Manipur Rifle ne khangde masagi right of private defense git tamang nomai lau basa how can you say that they have encroached their limit and how can you say that amoni tol bisa lali you cannot say manam din na koin akoi punsi se kangadabni police na IRB or MR na koin kangadabni na koin kannang amaktrabati for our self-defense, private defense, that we can pick up any gun either from the Assam Rifle, police, anywhere. Because right of private defense that gives me reasonable cause of harming me or assaulting me or killing me. That right of private defense from IPC 96 up to 106 IPC Pajalapiri. Adu amuka Manipur government amuka manu jamna thabak haibe saradana moibu mu farucho moibu mu pullucho kari nomai launa adu de lokoi protection pi rokhoida can you cannot and you could not adu de kari tobate khon Manipur government mase khanda ba yam darkar le akoi mi numit khuding halanba numit khuding shiba se akoi sum na kong tar ga suru toru sum thadok kisirana how can you akoi tolerate it and how do you quietly sitting India Sarkar na tawdriba karim to pailete akoi di ji hujur hai du khoi legidabani akoi mi ka shigro se sum kaide ai dum tar ai dum tumin dum leshal lage kaide matam amada mi lishingam ka shig kho ko tawra khar gyan ka tar ka adu bau se ngai ge tar noi pap lishing lag chele ga tamne na khoi you are a papi pap tahuli base kanan tahuli Manipur government tahon mani you are papi you are sinner na khoi how long this kind of a killing mercilessly me karim ta lanjadra me singshig la kapa tawdibasibu Bharat Sarkar na tawdri haidana Manipur punima meti punamak leibati sagi leiba koina masibu confront tawredro masibu contest tawredro natra makoy thengnaroi doribro maramdi India government agency pun utuine leigre India government is against us Aduni karito thokke machine in projam am nang particularly the government of Manipur asumani kam kun kholegi we respect you government of Manipur we admire you adum na tobuta ko tai ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯕ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯦ this is the right time to say government of India masi yaroi sir haibise mase tawdaba yade natridi akoi manipur diga akoi tok thokani akoi we don't want your speaker post we don't want minister post akoi loin tumin tokana hai no ala prime minister pairakani ma akoi UAE dige do you have that kind of a moral akoi ge courage manipur da akoi ge ministers oiriba MLA punamak nakoi mesen amana mangangani amana mutagani amana muthaidokani kote mi masing shirei for whom what for we should die इशागी नेशन अमो लेने ले मदुगी पोक कमिटी कोई भी कर्माई तन मिगी मिनाई हुई उसे याद रखा मीने शुम्द नमधर का हाथ रगा इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ताहुल I say India government I am an anti-Indian because of the behavior of the India government agency newspaper even the media they are against us armed forces they are not doing their job अखोई से मोने मी नतरे खल्ले मी मंगा मतरा मचले सिजसन के सुकाई देली माई में खुदी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हरक तबने मतम लेन में तमक्तने सी तोलोब खरे हेलिया कोई ट्रबल टोन एरिया ने परसेंटेज को 50-60% कोई हैप्पी इन तौन लेबई भाप तो मोहदी लेगिरे अदे मणिपुर तो लेंगा कदी you are all in all लेंगा कुदी ये टाइप ओबताई टाइप ओबताई मसे हाई बताई इंडिया गवर्नमेंट से अखोई मसे कोई की कनुगी दिल्ली की ब्रांच नते ने we according to the provisions state the period say we are free except the boundary matter except the Indian as a state policy shamak tanja not that you are free to do you are free to exercise particularly in the law and order tamakta law and order se ngapang ngamukta banena naharun singna MR khangde IRB khangde CRP khangde मी शिरव शेली जिंगाक थोप द मोहिन तौद्रबनी अकोने मिंगोते की नोंगमई लाग तौदस it is not a crime I believe because it comes under the right of private defense Manipur government no security personnel you were supposed to provide the security with the adequate arms ammunition personnel no ngang musung ngamdrabani na ngak pang ngamdrabani na nomayam law bas I feel personally it is not a crime at all it comes under the right of private security government agency ne ngamaktrabani na every citizen has the power for the right protection for his own life madani according to me anybody who robs or who goes and snatch away arms ammunition from any agency it is not a crime at all at this juncture as government of India not cooperating as Manipur government cannot instill discipline as Manipur government cannot protect the life of any Manipur citizen so there is no crime they have committed I think I encourage them because we need to live akoi bi eliminate togene to bud man jaroi manipuri mutat kain to bani karingo lega mas khandri bese manipuri mutat pa jagatro manipuri mutat pa tar noi han mutat pa taba noi nafam de lokthog go chiar de langthog ki taba you should come in the street then you protested why you are hankering up to this post ai chief minister thade ai minister thade noi min ngang bud ta de akoi nonum halali have said that kind of courage that kind of a principle strong principle no thokpam thoi haji de thok tabra maselenga ta koi tuna thamjege adunai am first round se ai mase hajar gai thamjege I hand over to our professor Premananda thank you